Hey guys, today we're unboxing this smartwatch. Yeah, we have started recording. Let's stop. Hey guys, today we're unboxing this Astrum smartwatch. It's a S93 and on the box you can see there it says it's got 8 sport modes and IP68 waterproof, camera, remote, call message alert, sleeping monitor, full screen touch, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, and what is sedentary reminder? Okay, in any case, we'll see what that's all about. It looks like a guy that sits on the toilet there, so I don't know, maybe it reminds you to go to the bathroom. We'll see. So yeah, that's cool. Let's get it out of the box. Okay, so you pronounce it
sedentary,
and then yeah, that means to check how or monitor how much you are sitting down and not moving around. So yeah, okay, let's get it out of the box and see what's all in here. It says about 20 hours battery life, so, or 20 days. What? Can't remember. I think it's 20 days. So yeah, inside here got a weird little box. Oh, this way up. It's not, the whole thing comes in pieces, eh? Okay, in any case, here's the watch. You've got straps. Oh, these are nice silicone kind of straps. There's a little pin to attach the strap to your watch. This is what? Accessory box. What? Oh, there's actually something in here. A little cable to charge it, I believe. So it's magnetic. So it'll be magnetically connecting to the watch. It's very light. Okay, so there is the charging pins. I think this thing just goes like that. Yeah, it just sits like that. I don't know if it's got a, yeah, it can't, it can only go one way because of the magnets. It won't attach this way. It'll only attach that way. So that's, yeah, that's cool. So just a normal USB little cable, and yeah, let's see the screen. Cool. I'll see now if it's got enough power or whatever to switch on. Let's put that aside. See if there's anything else in here. Doesn't look like it. Only a little booklet with all the features and whatever. I don't know how many pages is English actually, but we'll see. So yeah, it's the first 6 pages. First 6 pages is going to show you how the watch works and what it can do. So let's get it switched on and see what it looks like. Okay, let's switch it on. Maybe I should attach the straps first. So I think this one normally comes on the top. Can't remember now. See how easy this is. Okay. So that's easy. This one is a little, it's a very, only a small piece of plastic this, so I don't know if it's going to be that strong. You know, if the watch gets caught up on something. But yeah, let's switch it on. Oh, okay, it's on. Maybe I touched the on button and it switched on. Let's switch it off. Switch off. Yes. Why? So I don't know how I just managed to switch it on. Maybe I just pressed the button, or well, I have to hold it in. I don't know how it came on. There's the display. That's a nice display. So your menu, if you scroll down, your sport, if you scroll up, heart rate monitor. So yeah, let's go the other way again. Sport, heart rate monitor. I think it's trying to like read. Let's see. I don't have a heart. It's having a hard time to read my heart rate. Don't know if I should click something. Oh, I should actually click on that. So yeah, it's reading monitoring my heart. So that was cool. So if you press the heart, what does it do? I don't know how it's possible. It doesn't show any lights or anything. But it's picking up the heart rate. Let's see if I'm a bit more stressed now. $82, yes. Okay. This is for music playing. Is this your sleep patterns or something? I don't know. Please connect to your app to update weather. Okay. So yeah, I believe it needs an app on the phone now. What happens if you press this button? It just switches off the display. Yeah, it switches off and on the display. Information, settings, I don't know. Info is maybe all the stuff from the watch. That's your back button. That is the music one we were at. The settings, sport, news, breathe, screen, sleep, watch face. Find phone O2. It can actually measure the oxygen in your blood. I wonder. How is that possible? Okay, 97% oxygen. Whatever that means. Let's stop that. This is a cool little thing. So that's like what, a countdown? Oh yeah. Well, it's got stopwatch, it's got everything you need in a watch, and then it's got all these other features. So we'll have a look at, I think that's for the app maybe, or the brightness of the watch. I think I can leave it maybe like that. Still bright enough. Torch, oh, okay. And silent. What's this? In the middle is, just shows the battery life and the Bluetooth. Okay, so maybe we can quickly see the faces. I saw something about watch face. So there's the one we saw now, and it's that little one. You've got a digital one, another digital one with a little car. So I don't know if you can maybe add more watch faces. I think that might be possible. And sleep timer. Screen timer, sorry, screen sleep. So you can put the screen sleep to a maximum of 15 seconds, then it will go off. So it's by default 10 seconds. Yeah, so I'll connect it to the phone and see the rest of the features. I'll quickly show you how easy it is to charge this. You don't even have to look at the back. If you just bring the charger just near to the back, the magnets, it jumps straight to the charging points and just starts charging. It does charge slowly, so I would say charge it when there is enough time, like through the night when you're sleeping or whatever. I just think that is to protect the battery, because this is a small device, and if you charge a battery like this too fast, it might heat up and blow up inside. So I think, oh, and this is another face that I put on. This looks a bit better because it's got the date, the battery life, the weekday, heart rate, on the side your steps, and yeah. So that's it for me and unboxing this smartwatch. Hopefully it does give 20 days. It says about 20 days of power. I believe when you use this thing like seriously and use the 24/7 heart rate monitor and stuff like that, it's going to drain the battery much faster. It does say that also on the pamphlet. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps a bit.